first-line test recommended by medical guidelines is a chromosomal microarray, or CMA. Lineagen's testing starts with a painless cheek swab from your child and requires signed approval from your doctor. When both the swab and signature are received, Lineagen's tests begin to look for extra or missing pieces of genetic material in your child's DNA. These may be the underlying cause of his or her developmental challenges. These genetic answers can lead to specific medical management changes and can help your child's doctor personalize his or her treatment plan. Let's get started. Your child should not have food or drink for 30 minutes prior to collecting the swab. First, remove the swab from the packaging. Second, place the swab in your child's mouth on the lower gums on one side. Next, rub along in a back and forth motion 10 times. You'll then repeat that on the other cheek for 10 times. Finally, unscrew the cap, invert the swab into the liquid, close it tightly, and shake. Once you are done, include all of the items, including the swab and the test requisition form, back into the kit so it can be returned through FedEx.